Hey folks, so a good portion of marketing is science and math, and a good part of that is guessing, although to be scientific about it, we'll call that estimating. What's the difference between guessing and estimating? Well, guessing is random, and estimating is at least having some basis for comparison. So the following section will talk a little bit about how to estimate, not guess, and hopefully given those numbers and given that approach, you'll find a way of estimating your own common sense. Let's take a look. Uncommon sense. Realism, targets, measurement, and feedback. Part of target setting and funnel math is about educated guessing, because the truth is that you won't know the exact response rate to your email or postcards or flyers or billboards or whatever until you try them. That said, there are generally known or knowable rational bounds. You may be a great high jumper, but you're unlikely to be able to leap over a tall building. Similarly, email gets a 1 to 3% click-through rate traditionally, not 50%. When planning, we need to both make rational assumptions and build in measurement so that we can run short trial programs, measure the results, and proceed accordingly. Frankly, I've heard it too many times. If as little as 1% of internet traffic visited our site, our business would be successful. The problem with that statement? There's nothing little about 1% of internet traffic. Google, the #1 site on the internet, still gets less than half of the world's traffic. So yes, if you were 1/50th as popular as Google, you'd be successful. Good luck with that. Good marketing plans make rational assumptions and do measured experiments. How do you do that? First, rational assumptions. Use the aforementioned search engine, or internet search engine of your choice, and do some research. Average response rates for direct mail, email, web banners, flyers, and more are well-documented, published numbers. Even if you're wrong by a factor of 2, you won't be wrong by an order of magnitude. When in doubt, ask other marketers. There are internet marketing social sites and publicly listed marketing sites who may be willing to share some data. Secondly, measurement. Experimentation is a good thing. Unsure about whether a billboard or flyer or cold calling program will work? Run a small test, but measure it. Use a unique phone number or URL in your advertising, or make your handed out business cards or coupons different colors for use at different events. Worst case, simply ask prospects how they found you, a post facto survey. So use some common sense, keep track of your experiments, and look for patterns to emerge. Then use that to direct your further investment in marketing. Hey folks, we're back. So again, even guessing can be scientific. Right? Put some rational bounds onto your experiment, go do some research, use your favorite search engine, look up terms to see who else has done similar things and what results they achieved. Again, constant theme through this, think, try and put yourself in your customer's shoes, take a rational or even conservative approach. Hope that helps. Let's move on to the next thing.